Dear viewers and my dear student, welcome to my channel Science and Vigyan. Science and Vigyan. If you are already a subscriber of my channel, then you know within this week I have uploaded about 3 to 4 videos on the ChemDraw, lecture 1, 2, 3, and 4 in the series 1. In that, I just mentioned the basics for the beginner. How can beginner start working with the ChemDraw? Because ChemDraw is very useful software to do drug design and in silico tools or in silico task also. Fine. And this video is the continuous of that. In this video, I mentioned the nutshell how you can use the ChemDraw for the ligand preparation or energy minimization. So stay tuned to my channel and don't forget to please do not forget to like and share my video. And if you feel the videos are very useful to you, you can share the same with your friends and the colleagues. Fine. Okay, this is a lecture 5th of the series 1. That is the basics of the ChemDraw. Stay tuned to my channel and don't forget to like and share video. And one thing more, you can contact me through Instagram as well as Facebook. On Facebook, I have created one closed group, Computer Aided Drug Design and Delivery System. You can join that group and take advantage of all the opportunities available within that group. Right? Okay, thank you. Now we will start how we can minimize energy and how we can use these ligand for the further in silico properties. Okay, now we will start the session. Okay, first we will draw the any structure, phenyl, one more phenyl, then one 5-cyclic ring structure. Okay, onto it, right here OH, then sorry, NH2, then again repeat last table. Okay, this is our structure. Now we just select it. This is for energy. This lecture is solely for energy minimization. We will start the energy minimization. For that, just select it and copy it. You can copy the structure from here. For that, we need to open one more software, that is ChemDraw 3D Pro. Because in the energy minimization, we need to have the 3D structure of the compound. You can see onto the screen, there is only 2D structure. Wait, because it is opening, we will wait for some time. In the meantime, I would like to share with you where you can use these prepared ligand. You can use the prepared ligand for the QSS study, for the docking, or for virtual screening. Fine. There are a number of opportunities you guys use it. Please explore things. And if you have any kind of query regarding the same, please to mention the comment box, or you can contact me through Instagram as well as through the Facebook. Okay. Now we copy it. We open one more screen. This one. Okay. Now you can see onto screen. Yeah. Just paste it. Yeah. You can see this is a 3D structure. Sorry. For working of ChemDraw, using this software, you can use mouse if you have. I would like to take my mouse. Okay. In the next video, I would like to share like which type of mouse I used, or you can use any mouse with the Bluetooth or with wire. It's solely your wish. Okay, now you can see the structure is visible on my screen. It looked like this. Fine. This is a 3D because it is present in X, Y, and Z axis. That's why it's known as 3D structure of the compound. Okay. And today we would like to minimize the structure. For that, Okay, for that, what we need to do, just select it by pressing Control A. If you remember, I have mentioned, I think, in my all the videos, how you can select a compound by pressing Control A only. Find Control A. Now go to the calculation. Here you can see there are highlighted 4 options and one is unhighlighted. Unhighlighted, I will tell when it will appear as that when it is active, because right now it is inactive. Only 4 options they are active. We can use all the 4 options for calculation of the different property of the compound. So I'll start with the compute property. This one, compute property. Okay, firstly, I need to minimize structure. Yeah, you can see this is a MM2 module. On to MM2, I would like to share how you minimize energy by click this option only, minimize. And these are all the options we need to select. And that there is a job title, minimize. You can change this job title. If your CPU or if your laptop is of high capacity, please only in that condition please go with the molecular dynamic. Otherwise it is not advisable to compute molecular dynamic property onto the laptop if your memory is not so good, because it will take too much time and it will create a burden on the CPU or on the memory of the computer also, or the laptop. Okay, we will start the minimize. Firstly, I will like to share the minimize, how you minimize energy. And here you can select the iteration, and we would like to see the iterations. How many iteration mean how many angles are required to bombard the compound. Like here we need to apply one force field to minimize energy, and onto which angle it should be bombarded on the ligand to minimize it. Copy measurement the output, we do not require we do not require to display the same onto the output box, because it is the for the learning only. Okay, after that we can select the RMS gradient value. If you do not know about RMS, please write in chat box. Okay, after that these are a dynamic. Here we are not supposed to click any, because today we will like to compute only, or today we will like to do only minimize energy. So no need to select these static and the bond order. We need to run it. Now stay at, like, please keep watching the video, because if you skip any one of the step, you are not able to understand the software kinetics. Okay, you can see. Yeah, it is done. All energies are minimized. It mentioned the stretch is this, bend is this. You can see onto the below of this software. It is mentioned stretch, then bend, then stretch, bend, torsion. Everything is mentioned, and this is the total energy of the compound. Fine. You can use these energy for computing of QSAR, QSSR, QSPR. Fine. You can use anywhere. Fine. If you skip the previous step, I would like to do this step again. Just select it, go to structure, go to calculation, compute property, MM2, minimize energy. Just run it. Because the structure is very rigid, it is not so minimized. I would like to share one more structure. Or you can tell me any structure. We need to attach free hydrogen or free compound, because aromatic ring structure generally they are very rigid. We will try with this compound. Okay, you can see, sorry. Okay, you can see this is a 2D structure and this is a 3D structure. Yeah, and we select it. Control A, go to structure. Sorry, go to calculation, MM2, minimize it. Yeah. Yes. Now you can see how the compound is rotated, and this is a stable conformation of this compound. Fine. Again, if you want to have one more structure, or you can tell me any structure, I would like to minimize the energy of that structure. Sorry. Okay. Select it, copy it, paste it. Now you can see, because the structure is big, now you can see how this structure is minimized. Select it, calculation, MM2, minimize image. Yeah. Yes, very beautiful. Yes. Oh, it is not captured. We will do again. Sorry. Okay, now you can see. Select it. Go to calculation, MM2. Compute properties. Sorry. Calculation, MM2. Minimize energy. Now you can see, yes, this is the beauty of this structure, how it get minimized with the force field. Wow, I like it. Yeah. Yes, it's all about the minimization energy, how it get minimized. And it is a stable conformation. Now we deselect it. We will explore this Chem 3D Pro in the next video. For this session, I would like to share only this much only, how you minimize the compound with the help of force field. Fine. And the software is Chem 3D Pro. Sorry. Okay. Now one more that is related to this only, because when we minimize energy, in that we obtain the parameter also, except that we can obtain the static energy. Again, for that we need to select the compound, go to calculation, MM2, and here is the compute property. Fine. Here we need to select bond order, static energy summary, and static energy detail. We select all. Yeah. Then run. Now you can see this is a calculation of static energy and the bond order. Yes. You I do not know about you, but this software is very useful, and this is authentic one. because the result obtained by it, they are absolutely correlated with the practical result, because I have already identified. Fine. It's all about how you compute these, like this is the static energy and the bond order. You can see. And if you want to save this, you can save this also. This output. Export. Fine. You can save it. I don't want to save it because it's about how I like this is for the teaching only. Fine. Static energy, dihedral, bond order, bond length. Fine. This is all about the today session. How we compute, how we minimize energy, and how we calculate different properties of the static energy and the bond order. If you have any kind of doubt, you can contact me through the Facebook and the WhatsApp, and do not forget to mention any kind of query if you have, or you can contact me through the Facebook group, and do not forget to like and share this video. Thank you so much. Stay blessed. Happy learning, and do not forget my channel Science and Vigyan. Happy learning. God bless you. Bye bye.